Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a little while, but I hope you had a Merry Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate, and Happy Almost New Year's. Um, Time to refill my sleepy roller. Yeah, I literally have stretched this thing as far as it will go. I could not get more than maybe a quarter of a drop. I don't know, I went to put it on my wrist and it got that first tiny little dot and that was it. So it's definitely time for a refill. So we're gonna go with 10 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These oils are wonderful. They obviously help me since I go through this so much. We're going to do 10 drops of Peace and Calming. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, 11. I've also used Peace and Calming 2 and Stress Away when I'm out of Peace and Calming. You guys have seen, I do my orders, I open them, my monthly orders. They are wonderful. We're going to do 10 drops of Valor as well. 1, 2, this one's a little slower. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just so that you guys know, I don't speed this up. That way you can literally grab your oils and follow along, right along with me and not have to pause, hopefully. If so, not a big deal. And then last but not least, I'm going to be doing 10 drops of cedarwood. I like cedarwood a little bit stronger. If you don't, you could do 5, or just leave it out completely. But I find it helps me calm my mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you guys don't know what to be ordering every month, I'm going to top it off with my fractionated coconut oil. You could go with our supplements. Our supplements are paired with the essential oils so that your body will more readily absorb the nutrients in the supplements. We've got like a chewable Super C. We've got green, get your veggies one. Name is slipping my mind right now. We've got quite a few supplements, so you could get those ordered every month. And then use your points to get the oils. So now that I've got the roller cap back on, just gonna tilt this back and forth a few times, and I can see the oils mixing together. So there you have it. Don't know what to order? You could get Ningxia every month. You could do the supplements every month and use your points to either try something new, or like the oils, or another supplement, or our shakes, or our Bloom products. We have lots of stuff, you guys. It's not just oils, though oils are in all of it. So that is the Sleepy Time Roller, and I will see you guys next time. Happy New Year!